Scammers posing as charitable organizations have emerged during the pandemic. Erin Hazanzadeh with our Minneapolis station WCCO spoke to a cybersecurity expert about how to protect yourself.
As you sit at home working remotely, e-learning, or maybe even playing your favorite online game, it may be hard to imagine why cybercriminals want to attack you. But the answer is simple, and it's up to you to protect yourself.
Your data's worth money. The average adult's data is worth about $250 to $300 on the black market.
Hackers can get in through your phone, computer, smart devices, routers, even gaming systems.
Basically, if it's on the internet and we're not doing the best job to secure it, that provides an opportunity for a bad guy to get in.
An easy way to secure those devices is to make sure they're updated.
Having devices that are not kept up to date is equal to leaving the windows and doors of your home open and then leaving.
Everything from your devices to your mobile apps and software like browsers on your computer all need to be updated, so do this regularly. Your router needs to be updated too, and if it's more than 5 years old, cybersecurity expert Ryan Cloutier recommends upgrading.
All of these things are going to help you be less likely to be the victim of cybercrime.
Right now, scammers are posing as HR professionals from your employer, the IRS, charitable organizations helping COVID-19 patients, and people selling PPE.
We've seen a huge increase, about a 6,000% increase in phishing in just the last few weeks, specifically around COVID.
So it's critical to avoid clickbait in your inbox. Never hand over information unless you know it's going to a legitimate source.
The easiest trick is to read the email out loud and pretend that there's a human actually standing in front of you asking you for this. A lot of times that'll cause us to pause.
Some schemes can look legit, so to be extra cautious,
don't click links that are in the email. Type those links, those addresses into your browser.
With so many devices on one network, Cloutier recommends setting up a second Wi-Fi login or a guest network. Put your sensitive devices on one network and less sensitive devices on the other to outsmart bad actors.
So if for example, your gaming system was compromised by a bad guy, having it on the guest network makes it very difficult for them to then gain access to your work, school, or personal finance computer.
Oh, and parents, don't forget to keep an eye on your little ones.
We do want to trust our children, but sometimes our children don't realize that they're not at a legitimate site, or they don't realize that that person they're talking to isn't a peer, but really an adult, maybe with malicious intent.
Erin Hazanzadeh, WCCO 4 News.